Motorcycle accident. Don't know if the subject went off the road, if he was struck or whatever, but he did go off the road, off the Thruway out there. He was in the median. He has a lot of injuries, and ambulance was on location shortly before I got out there.
Mm-hmm. And so why was Mercy Flight called?
Mercy Flight was called because of the injuries of the patient that was there. And it appeared to be, he had a lot of injuries that were there. And it was a good thing that he had his helmet on. It was a good sized mark on his helmet where he hit the ground or struck the ground.